This is Tom. Today is his first day at school.
Tom walks to school with his mom.
I can't wait to see my friends.
I'm sure they'll be happy to see you too.
The school is big and colorful.
Tom feels a little nervous.
This is Ms. Anna, the teacher.
The classroom is clean and bright. Tom sits at his desk.
Okay, I'm opening it. Time to learn.
The teacher writes ABC on the board.
A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C.
Tom raises his hand.
Tom,
Yes. My name is Tom.
the children clap for Tom.
The school bell rings.
It is break time.
Yeah, let's go. Racing to the slide.
All right, but be careful.
The playground is fun.
Tom feels lonely.
A boy comes to Tom. Hello, I am Sam. Nice to meet you, Sam. Let's play with the ball! Yeah! Here it comes! They are happy. The bell rings again. Yeah, here I go. Nice catch. Your turn. Got it. Back at you. Time for class. Okay, let's go.
They go back to class.
Here we are, ready to learn. Is it story time? Yes, I love stories.
The teacher reads a story. The children listen. Tom writes in his notebook.
Time goes fast. Yeah. School is over. Yay, let's go play. Yeah, no more homework.
The friends felt sad and worried. Then they had an idea.
Let's work together. Yeah, good idea. I'll help.
They decided to work together.
I'll push it from this side, and I'll pull from over here.
I'll fly ahead and guide us.
Great teamwork.
Slowly, things began to change.
The problem became smaller and smaller.
Something wonderful was happening. The friends felt hopeful again. Everything started to look better. They were proud of their hard work.
They learned that helping each other is important.
They saw how their actions made a difference.
They felt happy and safe again.
They learned an important lesson.
We sure did.
Yeah, it was great!
Let's do it again.
Being with good friends makes every day brighter, so share a smile and spread the happiness.
In a beautiful forest, Roro the rabbit and Dodo the duck loved to play every day. The forest was full of life, music, and happy animals. One day, they walked to a new part of the forest. But suddenly, they saw something very sad. Many trees were cut down,
and the forest was hurting. We must help our forest. Friends, we need your help!
Please hurry, everyone!
We're on our way! Coming through!
Here we are.
The animals had a great idea to save the forest. First, they prepared the soil for new life.
Let's dig some holes.
I'll help.
Great job, team! Then, they planted malling seeds with care. Dodo brought fresh water for the little seeds. They worked together and shared the water.
Look, it's working. A little sprout.
Suddenly, something magical happened. The seeds began to grow into little trees. The forest slowly became green and beautiful again.
Wow, look at all the colors. So beautiful.
The animals were so happy and proud of their work. Life returned to the forest once more. They learned that teamwork can change everything.
And they promised to always protect their home.
Ready for an adventure, everyone?
You bet. Let's go.
I'm in!
Follow me.
In a happy little town, there lived a small kitten named Lily. Lily loved to play, but she did not like brushing her teeth. Her friends brushed their teeth every day. Her friends brushed their teeth every day. Lily forgot about her teeth and ate sweets all the time. One day, Lily felt pain in her mouth.
She could not eat her favorite food. Lily felt sad and lonely.
We're here to help! Yeah, what's the plan? Let's go help her! Right, lead the way! Let's go! We will show you how to clean your teeth. Yeah, it's easy. We'll help. Okay.
Lily was scared, but she wanted to try. She brushed her teeth gently for the first time.
Wow, you're doing it! Yay, good job! Thanks, it's easy. You're a natural. My turn next.
Her teeth became clean and shiny.
Lily could eat again without pain.
She felt happy and strong again. Pass it here! I'm open!
And every night before she went to sleep,
Her friends were proud of her.
I learned an important lesson today.
Cleanliness is the secret of health.